Want to add music to an Instagram post you've already shared, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a song to an Instagram post after posting it. Now let's get started. To add music to an Instagram post you've already shared, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then find the post you want to add music to. Tap the three dots at the top. Then select Edit. Underneath your username, tap where it says Add Music, Add AI Label, or Add Location. Then select Add Music in the pop-up. Now choose the song you want to add to your post. You can select one of the suggested tracks listed, or search for something specific. Tap a song to hear a preview of it. Then tap the arrow at the bottom to add it to your post. If you want, you can change which section of the song will be played using the slider at the bottom. When you're happy with the selected song clip, tap Done in the top right corner to save. Now when people view this post, your selected song will play in the background. That's all it takes to add a song to an Instagram post after sharing it. Want to customize your Instagram algorithm? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.